It's easy to see why it has been voted Architectural Digest Best Small Town in America in 2018. It's quiet here, not far from the Atlantic coast, and with a population of around 4,500 people, it's a relaxed, very comfortable place to be. And since 2000, Berlin has even been the movie set for two well-known films, Runaway Bride and Tuck Everlasting. Lights, cameras, and action illuminate the rich character of this town, and it's the lights that recently experienced a powerful upgrade.
Nice looking generator, and I sincerely mean that. That will put the town at a generation capacity of 5.6 kilowatts. We're generating roughly $560,000 of savings that gets passed back to the ratepayer with their rates for electricity in Berlin.
Replacing these diesel gen sets with a CAT natural gas 3520, again, 2 meg unit, enough to basically power 500 homes year round, gives the town the ability to sell or peak power during different times of the year, sell back power to the grid. It is really a model that we think we're going to start to see be replicated across our entire region and territory.
The Maryland Smart Energy Community Program supports local governments like Berlin who adopt smart energy policies and commit to those policies long term. Reducing utility and fuel expenses and greenhouse gas emissions are key elements of not just our MSEC program, but a huge reason why we're here today as well, celebrating this forward-thinking Maryland city.
When we realized that in order to take the generator in the easiest and to put in new ventilation fans, the easiest way to do that would be is to take down that wall and put in a lintel to support the existing roof. We worked with a couple of great contractors on site local to Berlin who were able to do that job for us, who were able to take down that wall, who were able to put in the lintels to give the support back to the wall, and then to basically install the ventilation fans in place.
We are so very proud of our electric utility employees and their leadership for their dedication and service that is critical in making Berlin's electric rates uncommonly low and the reliability of service to our customers so uncommonly high.
We appreciate the longevity and this forward-thinking decisions that the town of Berlin has made. But our purpose, why we exist, is to help our customers achieve their highest levels of success. Whatever that means, it comes in so many different sizes and shapes. We want to be there to help support whatever those projects are.
Today, our town takes one more important step in its commitment to environmental stewardship. We now begin a process of replacing our diesel power generators with environmentally efficient and responsible electric service for today's citizens and all those who follow.
At the end of a peaceful day in Berlin, Main Street and its unique offerings will continue to light up the lives of those who visit the best small town in America. And at Carter Machinery, we always close with, "Let's get to work." And that's exactly what Berlin will be doing for a long, long time.